Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you the basics of how to build an app without code. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, building an app without code might seem like a daunting task, but with tools like Glide, it's easier than ever. To start, click on the New App button. This will bring up a pop-up window where you'll need to enter your app name in the Name Your App field. Next, decide whether your app is intended for mobile or larger screens. Click on the respective options accordingly. For mobile, select the mobile option, and for large screens, choose the large screen option. In this tutorial, we'll go with the mobile option. After making your selection, press the Continue button. The next step involves selecting a source from the given options. These include Glide Table, Google Sheets, Excel, Airtable, and the Import File option. For this tutorial, we'll select the Glide Tables option. Once you've chosen your source, click on the Create App button. This will take a moment, but soon you'll be redirected to the Glide Editor, where you can start designing your app. In the Glide Editor, you'll find a top bar with three options: Data, Layout, and Action. Clicking on Data will take you to a section where you can add data to your app. The Layout section allows you to design the layout of the app, including the navigation on the left side and the product settings on the right. You can also preview the app in both mobile and desktop modes. To add components to your app, navigate to the left menu and click on the plus button next to the Components option. A sidebar will open with different components that you can add to your app. The Actions section is where you can create custom workflows by combining multiple steps. Add a new action by clicking on the Plus New Action button, or use an existing action listed on the page. Once you're satisfied with your app design, it's time to publish it. Click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor to make your app live. After the app is published, a Share button will appear at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking on this button will provide multiple options to share your app, including via QR code, link, or by inviting users through their email. And that's it. You've now completed a basic tutorial on how to build an app without code using Glide. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a functional and user-friendly app tailored to your specific needs. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.